Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this thank you card using the Artistically Inked stamp set. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with the sentiment for this project, so I'm going to pick up this beautiful bold thanks that's found in the set, and I'm going to stamp that right here below the halfway point, closer just slightly to the right. I've got that done and I'm ready to bring in my large flower here. So I'm going to ink that up in the Berry Burst. And I'm going to stamp one here on the right, one here at the top, and then I'm going to turn it randomly and add one to the bottom. There we go. I've got the large flower done and I'm ready to bring in the beautiful little rose image, and I'm going to add that around my card front also. I'm adding these in randomly. Let's see, I think I'll put the other one down here. Once I have that in place, I'm ready to add my greenery. I'm going to use my Lost Lagoon, and let's see, I'm going to put this one up here. And I'm going to add a petal in there, and then I'm going to bring in the smaller petal and add one here and here. And then I'm going to bring in, let's see, the 3 flowers before I continue with that, and add some randomly where I want them so I can see where I'm going. I'm also going to turn these a little bit each time to give me more of a random look. I have that finished, so I can complete my little leaves by tucking them in and adding that pop of color. And then I can take my dot image here and scatter it around the card front and tuck it in between all those images. I'm just doing this randomly, twisting and turning as I go. I think that's good. And last but not least, the centers for those large flowers in the crushed curry. And I'm finished. It's that quick and easy, and we're ready to assemble. To assemble, I'm going to bring in my pretty peacock panel, and I'm simply going to add some adhesive to the back of this stamped panel and adhere. And I'm going to flip that over and add some dimensionals because I want to create a little shadow effect under this panel on the card front. Now, you're welcome to put some in the center, but I'm not going to do that. It will allow my card to flex a little bit more when mailed. I'm going to remove these backings, turn it over, and adhere in place. There we go. I've got that finished, and I'm going to bring in these iridescent foil gems. This pack of gems has this pretty little foil on each one of these and gives you a nice little shine. So I'm going to pick up some of these and randomly place them around my card front just to move your eye around. Let's see, I want to take another large one here and place it up here, and then a 5th one and place it right down in here. There we go. Just quick and easy. And I hope you can see that it adds a nice little sparkle. So there you go, a quick and easy card stamped with the Artistically Inked stamp set. I think you'll really enjoy this stamp set with its watercolor look, and its shading built right into it. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.